nice.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make homemade yogurt. Yes, so I want to show you the whole process on how you make homemade yogurt in a very nice way. We're going to do vanilla and strawberry. The ingredients for our homemade yogurt are pretty simple and basic. Yeah, so we have milk, fresh milk. Yes, I went for Brookside, and we have natural yogurt. Yes, and the reason why I went for this brand, it's the best, and will give me the best results. And then we have sugar, we have vanilla essence, and strawberry essence. You can choose whichever essence that you want to use. It's not a must you use strawberry and vanilla. There is pineapple, there's so many of them in the market. So but I wanted to just do the basic for you because that is the easiest you can do. Yeah, the one that is not always complicated. There is also blackcurrant. There's so many. Yeah, so for those who might be wondering, my name is Faiza. I do easy homemade recipes on this YouTube channel and some cleaning videos and organizing at times. So please remember to subscribe and like this video as you do this. So we're going to boil this milk of ours to the boiling point, chemke kabisa, completely boiled, and then we'll cool it down. So as you can see, our milk is boiled, so we're going to put this aside and then let it cool. So guys, we're going to let our milk cool down. Yes, so the temperature that we need is when you can put your finger in and you can let that finger stay in there for 8 seconds. So guys, I'm going to dip my finger. My hands are clean. I want to dip my finger. We're going to count together till we reach 8 seconds. Actually, I know we're going to reach 8 seconds. So here is my finger. I'm going to dip it to this level here. So here we go. Yeah, so as you can see, our milk is ready. If you have the thermometer, that's good for you. You can measure at around 40. Now we sieve this milk. Please remember to sieve your milk either when you're boiling it or after boiling it. Yeah, remember to go through that process to remove any unwanted impurity. For me, I prefer sieving it afterwards. Yeah.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So in the yogurt making process, this is known as a culture. Yeah, that is whatever you use to transform that yogurt or that milk to yogurt. Yes, it's called a culture. So this is natural yogurt, plain without sugar, nothing. Yeah, you can use any brand, yeah, as long as it's yogurt, going to make it. Yeah, so let's drop it in here. So after mixing well, you're going to cover that with a cling film properly. So now guys, we're going to place this mixture of ours in some place that is not going to be disturbed. somewhere that nobody's going to touch for 12 to 24 hours. For maximum results and good results, I recommend 24 hours. So I'll see you tomorrow after I place this. Actually, I'm going to place mine in the kitchen cabinet, the topmost place, because I wish I could put it in the oven and leave it there overnight, but the oven is going to be in use for other recipes. Yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow, guys. In the meantime, please like the video and subscribe down below if you've not subscribed. Hey guys, this is the following day, 24 hours later, actually like 26 hours later. Yes, and our yogurt is perfect. Can't wait for you to see it. Let me show you how it looks like. Here it is, and just see how perfect it is. You see, I'm shaking and it's just okay. Yeah, so let's open this and see. See how thick it is? It's just perfect. Yeah, so I mix it.
But I can't help my heart, even though our time is short, there's always this piece of me that starts always. Even though our time is short, there's always this piece of me.
So we add our sugar. You can add the sugar to your preference. Me, I love it sweet. So we add our sugar the way you've seen we've added, and then we now divide it to add the flavors that we want. So as I mentioned, we have this. Sorry. As Ale mentioned, we said we have vanilla essence and we have the strawberry essence. So I'm going to divide the yogurt into two after adding sugar so that I can add the flavors. Okay, so guys, always also do not use metal items when making yogurt. Itakuwa too light ama the results seem zuri. Yeah, so always use a wooden stuff. If you have wooden stuff, I'm a plastic, yeah, I'm a glass, the way I've used glass. For excellent results you can use plastic, yeah, but for me I don't have a plastic that was clear or good enough to show you. Yeah, what I mean by that is yani yenye ingeonyesha clearly your yogurt vile iko. That's why I opted for the glass. Hope this is successful. Begin with vanilla essence. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. This strawberry. So the strawberry essence. guys, please remember to chill your yogurt for at least an hour. Ikue baridi kidogo, ishikane zaidi kidogo, yeah, you know, for the better results, okay? As usual, it's time to have a taste. Yeah. This is vanilla. Nice. I don't know if it's because I'm the one who made it, but I feel like this tastes better than the supermarket ones. Strawberry time. Nice. Both are good. Guys, you can make this at home. You can make this at home. Why buy? Actually, this was 2 liters of milk, and now we have 2 liters of yogurt made from home with just culture. That is a kadogo yogurt, the one that you used to make it. Okay, yeah guys, so that's how easily you can make yogurt from home. I really hope you're going to try this and come back and comment and say you tried and what was the outcome. Guys, I assure you this one tastes better than the supermarket one. Sio kudanganya. Try it and then you'll tell me. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please remember to subscribe, and also before you go, drop a like because you've watched the video to the end. That means you love the video. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.